Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the remaining September month 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at the love feelings between you and your person. How do they feel about you? How do you feel about them and all that stuff, okay? So I have taken already the cards out already because of the reversals also which I'm taking. So it's really, sometimes it takes a little time to grasp all the messages. So let's now dig into your reading. Before that, this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest, as I always tell you. Plus, the roles can be reversed over here. Okay, if one part doesn't resonates with you, you can switch. You can be this part of the reading. Okay, so that is up to you. Alright, so let's get started with your reading. So how do you see your person as the Six of Pentacles in reverse, along with the Lovers in reverse, the Sun in reverse, and the Queen of Wands? You see them as a person who does not appreciate much about the love which you give them. They are more kind of a taker rather than giver. They really love to get all the love, all the appreciation, all the attention they want, but when it comes to you, when it comes to giving it to you, it's really hard for them. You see them as like that, okay? So it's not exactly the way they actually are. This is your perception towards them. So you see them as a person who is bored by this relationship or with you. There could be a manipulator as well in between this, with the Queen of Wands. My dear Scorpios, there can be a person, there can be a third person who is trying to fill their minds with all the dirtiness, and that is why they are being so rude to you, or they are not being good to you the way they were before. How do you feel about them as the Lovers? So yeah, this is the love energy. That is how you are feeling, along with the Chariot and the Five of Cups. So you feel like you are in love with them. You both do get involved in a lot of fights all the time. You both might be fighting so much, but your person or you, both of you, do not have that quality of keeping the grudges for too long, and you just let go of the past. You just want to get back together, and you talk and you just laugh again, okay? So this is how it works. You fight and you get back together, but sometimes it's really hard, but you want it. You are really wanting that thing. How your person sees you as the Eight of Swords. Along with that, we have the Death and the Seven of Wands as the clarifiers. So they see you as a person who is himself wanting to go away from them, who is trying to block their energies towards you, and you are trying to block them, you are trying to ignore them. This is how they see you as, okay? So this is how similar your reading is. You are also seeing them as a person who is trying to hide themselves from you, and they're also basically in the same situation, but they are blindfolded. They do not know what they are thinking, what is actually shown. The reality and the perception is totally different. What is the reality? That is fully different, okay? So if they are feeling that way, that you are trying to block, this is some way they are blindfolded. This is actually not true. The reality is all different. How do they feel about you is the Judgment. Along with, we have the High Priestess in reverse and the Two of Wands in reverse. They really feel a lot of confusion when it comes to you. They have made up their minds, Scorpio. Somewhere they have made up their minds, like not going back to you or just ending this relationship. But what I'm seeing is that, what the decision which they are taking is actually very immature. They are not planning. They haven't even good plans for that, whatever they are going towards. It's like a non-planner kind of a thing. You have to plan, and then only you can take some big decisions, and they have taken this big decision without even thinking for a bit. How you what are your hopes towards them is the Queen of Pentacles in reverse and the Eight of Cups with the Nine of Swords in reverse. So you hope very you hope in a way, like, you do not want to just let them go wherever they want to go. You want to hold them. You want to just end all the worries between you and them. in fact them as well. You want to end the worries for them. You could be a person who is very much kind of a humanitarian, you know, not selfish kind of a person, selfless kind of a person you are looking over here, Scorpios, who really loves to just throw love to your person, to your partner, and just hang out together. You are that kind of a person. Your What are the hopes for your person towards you? The Three of Wands in reverse, along with Two of Cups, King of Cups, and Two of Swords. So yeah, they are not trying. Their hopes are all lost. They are all lost. They are thinking that everything is ended, but from inside they really want to get back together with the Two of Cups and the King of Cups. They might be not showing the exact love what they are feeling towards you, but yes, they are trying to hide it. Okay, so hiding plus they are trying to get an exact view, exact situation. They want that thing. That is why they're confused. They're still confused with this relationship. How do what are your actions towards them? Is the strength in reverse along with the Fool in reverse and the King of Pentacles. So you feel weak somewhere, you know, when it comes to showing the main strength. Right now you are actually, you do not have that courage left inside you. Yeah, this is something like that. You are that courage is not left inside you. You are trying to play safe, or you are trying to just be a little at a distance because you do not want to leave them. If you want to go towards them, you can go, but you are not taking any steps too fast. What I'm seeing over here, Scorpios, it's a very mature move, to be honest. How did they see you as? Is the Nine of Swords and the Five of Wands along with the Ten of Cups. So they see you as a person who has ended everything in regards with this relationship. This is how their actions are. I don't see their actions like really good because of this thing, because of the Ten of Cups. See, the last card was the Ten of Cups in your reading. This means, however, how many fights you both have, whatever the situation you might have, problems, arguments, fights, but there's a comeback always. So there's a silver lining at the end of the clouds. So just keep on hoping and keep on manifesting positive thoughts and positivity. So that is all from my side, my dear Scorpios. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.